tell you now. Here we go. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say.
Abhinav, wish you a happy
Hot air balloon that can go to space. With the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way.
Hey Abhinav, happy birthday. Hope you're having a wonderful time with your friends. See you soon.
Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you, girl. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Happy birthday, Abhinav. Enjoy every moment of your life as you grow to new heights.
Say what? Well, give it all you got and don't hold it back. Say what? I should probably warn you I'll be just fine. Yeah. No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do.
Happy birthday, Abhinav. We are very proud of you for all your accomplishments. We wish you very best in your life. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Abhinav. We wish you the very best and keep rocking.
Happy birthday, Abhinav. Happy birthday, Abhinav. I hope you have a great birthday. Let's have ice cream together when you visit. Happy birthday, Abhinav. Hope you have a great time and have lots of fun in the game truck. Happy birthday, Abhinav.
Average game truck parties are a virus, but gamer versus gamer is the cure.
happy birthday.
Gamer versus gamer.